Kochi, the commercial capital of Kerala, is a coastal city shaped by its maritime history and waterways. The Periyar and Muvattupuzha rivers flow into Vembanad Lake and the Kochi estuary, sustaining a rich ecosystem. Brahmapuram is located at the junction of Kadambariyar, Chitrapuzha, and Manakkathodu. Kadambariyar originates from the Arakkapadi hills, flows through wetlands, and merges with Chitrapuzha, which then flows toward Vembanad Lake. Once a lush green village, Chelipdam thrived alongside the waters of Kadambariyar and Chitrapuzha, supporting traditional Chelli farming and abundant aquatic life. However, in the past 15 years, rapid environmental degradation has transformed it into Brahmapuram, a site of unscientific waste dumping. Farmlands have vanished, replaced by pollution from heavy metals, industrial effluents, leachates, and microplastics. Waste along river banks has broken down into toxic leachate, seeping into Kadambariyar and contaminating the Vembanad ecosystem. These pollutants have become silent witnesses to this environmental neglect, threatening aquatic species and wetland birds, disrupting the delicate balance of this once thriving ecosystem. Meanwhile, invasive water hyacinth has worsened the crisis by blocking oxygen exchange in water bodies. A local fisherman laments the loss of native fish and shellfish due to pollution. Once rich in aquatic life, the waters now hold only government-introduced tilapia fish species. Severe contamination has made entering the water unsafe, causing skin allergies and infections. 2 years ago, the government took action to clear the Brahmapuram site, leading to several waste management interventions. Legacy waste is being processed through biomining, expected to take another year, with RDF conversion and BSF plants aiding organic waste decomposition. A sewage treatment plant has been set up, ensuring only biodegradable waste reaches the site. Plastic waste is systematically collected and recycled through resource recovery facilities (RRF). Community initiatives like Haritha Karma Sena are actively improving waste management and promoting sustainability. The future of Brahmapuram lies in ecological restoration. If we can heal these scars, the impact will ripple through the entire system, allowing nature to regain balance and transforming the polluted landscape into a thriving ecosystem.